If you're working with character animation, rigging is a step you can't skip. In this video, we'll discuss the 10 best rigging tools and what each one is best suited for. Number 1. Toon Boom Harmony is a high-end 2D animation tool built for professional production and is widely used by major studios such as Disney and Nickelodeon. While many animation tools prioritize ease of use, Harmony is designed for power and flexibility. Its node-based compositing system allows artists to create highly complex rigs and visual effects by connecting functional nodes, rather than relying on simple layer stacking. One of Harmony's most advanced features is the Master Controller System. This lets riggers build custom on-screen controls that animators can slide or rotate to manage an entire head turn or facial expression with a single action. Its advanced deformers provide some of the most organic mesh deformation in the industry, achieving fluid, hand-drawn motion within a digital puppet workflow. Harmony follows a subscription model. In 2026, the Essentials plan starts around $24 per month, while the advanced version for professional production is roughly $62 per month. It is a significant investment for those who want professional studio career. Number 2. Moho is a powerful 2D animation tool built to make drawing, rigging, and animating easier. You can create characters directly inside Moho using vector tools that are specifically optimized for animation, which keeps shapes clean and consistent as they move. The standout feature is Smart Bones. Instead of fixing broken joints frame by frame, you program corrective actions once. When you rotate a bone, the artwork reshapes itself automatically. This ensures joints deform naturally, maintaining the character's volume without the manual headache. And it's not just for flat vectors. It uses an advanced mesh warping system that lets you animate textured, hand-drawn art with that same level of control. Best of all, Moho avoids the subscription trap. A one-time license costs roughly $399. You buy it, you own it, and you start animating. Number 3. Spine 2D is the industry leader for game-focused skeletal animation, designed to bridge the gap between artistic intent and game engine performance. Unlike general-purpose tools, it focuses on creating lightweight, bone-driven rigs that animate in real time. A standout feature is its mesh and weighting system, which allows you to define a flexible mesh over an image and bind it to a skeleton. This enables free-form deformation, letting you bend limbs or create 3D-like perspective shifts without redrawing assets. Another core strength is the skin system, which allows a single animation to be reused across multiple characters. By swapping attachments, you can change outfits or weapons while keeping the same fluid movement data. Spine uses a perpetual licensing model. In 2026, the Essential version is a one-time $69 payment, while the Professional version, required for meshes, is $369. Number 4. Cartoon Animator is a professional 2D animation software developed by Reallusion. It comes with built-in libraries that help you produce high-volume content and save significant time. It uses G3 Bone System, which are pre-built skeletal rigs that control character joints and proportions, combined with smart mesh technology that allows artwork to deform smoothly, giving characters organic and fluid movement. The real magic lies in its 3D motion converter, which translates 3D motion data onto 2D rigs instantly while automatically adjusting for depth and perspective. This opens the door to a professional Motion Live 2D pipeline, supporting real-time full-body tracking, hand gestures, and nuanced facial animation. Efficiency is further driven by spring dynamics for automated physics and AI-driven lip sync that maps mouth shapes to audio perfectly. For 2026, Reallusion offers a perpetual license for permanent ownership, as well as a 365 Pro subscription, both of which can be checked out on their official website. Number 5. Blender's Grease Pencil offers a unique approach by merging 2D animation within a full 3D environment. Instead of working on a flat canvas, your drawings exist in 3D space, allowing for natural depth, complex camera movements, and perfect spatial consistency. Rigging in Grease Pencil is exceptionally powerful because it utilizes Blender's professional 3D skeletal system. You can bind your strokes to bones and use inverse kinematics, avoiding the limitations of flat puppet tools while supporting highly advanced motion. This makes it the ideal hybrid tool for creators who want to mix hand-drawn charm with 3D efficiency. Despite its high-end feature set, it remains the most accessible professional tool on the market. Because Blender is entirely open source, there are no licenses, subscriptions, or hidden costs. It is completely free for everyone, from hobbyists to major studios, regardless of the project size. Number 6. OpenToonz is primarily a frame-by-frame 2D animation tool that was originally developed by Studio Ghibli for professional production. It is designed with traditional animation at its core, making it ideal for artists who prefer drawing every frame by hand. One of its key features is the plastic tool, which allows you to create a triangular mesh and skeleton over your drawings. This makes it possible to achieve smooth, puppet-like deformation while still preserving a hand-drawn look. OpenToonz also includes the GTS scanning tool, another Ghibli-developed feature that lets animators scan paper drawings and clean them up digitally with studio-level precision. Although it has a steep learning curve and a complex X-sheet-based interface, its power for hybrid paper-to-digital workflows is unmatched. As of 2026, OpenToonz remains completely free and open source, offering professional-grade tools with no subscription fees. Number 7. Adobe Animate is an industry-standard tool within the Adobe ecosystem, widely used for vector-based 2D animation. The software offers a powerful asset warp system that gives creators a high level of control over movement. It allows you to generate a mesh over vector or bitmap artwork, making it possible to bend and stretch characters like a digital puppet. Instead of redrawing every single frame, you can animate by moving pins or bones, which results in smooth, natural motion with far less effort. This approach speeds up production while still preserving precise artistic control. It also includes a virtual camera system that lets you pan, zoom, and rotate the entire scene, making it easier to add cinematic motion and dynamic framing to your animations. It is available via subscription through Creative Cloud. In 2026, the single app plan sits at approximately $23 per month. Number 8. Autodesk Maya is one of the most widely used by major studios to create everything from blockbuster films to video games. While it's widely known for 3D work, its real strength lies in making characters move convincingly from any angle. Its advanced rigging system allows artists to build detailed skeletons with inverse kinematics and constraints, making it easier to animate realistic body movement and maintain consistent proportions from any camera angle. When you rotate a bone, the artwork reshapes itself automatically. This ensures joints deform naturally, maintaining the character's volume without the manual headache. In addition, its animation toolset, including graph editor controls and layered animation, gives animators fine control over timing, weight, and subtle performance details. Maya is not recommended for beginners. It is best suited for users who already have some experience in animation or 3D software. In 2026, the standard plan costs about $168 per month, billed annually. Choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. Number 9. Synfig Studio is a free, open-source 2D animation software best suited for beginners, students, and independent creators who want smooth results without drawing every frame. Working in this software is easy. Just place key poses on the timeline, and the software automatically generates the in-between frames, saving time while keeping motion fluid and consistent. Rigging is also straightforward because bones can be adjusted directly on the canvas, allowing quick edits even after animation is applied. The software supports both vector and bitmap artwork, so drawings can be imported or created inside the program. It also uses a layer-based system where effects like gradients, blur, and transformations can be applied without changing the original artwork. These features make it easier to build scenes, refine visuals, and complete full animations with less manual effort, making it a practical learning and production tool. Number 10. If you're looking for a tool that truly prioritizes the art of animation, TVPaint is one of the best options available. It closely mimics the feel of real pencil and paper, thanks to its powerful and highly responsive brush engine. While TVPaint isn't a traditional puppet animation tool, it includes a sophisticated warp tool that lets you deform and stretch drawings while preserving their handcrafted texture. The software was known purely as a frame-by-frame powerhouse with no rigging. With TVPaint 12, this changed through the introduction of bitmap rigging and puppet layers, allowing artists to add bone structures to drawings and create automatic in-betweens without losing the hand-drawn texture. TVPaint is sold as a perpetual license rather than a subscription, costing approximately $700 for the standard edition and about $1,725 for the professional version. It's expensive, but for studios like Cartoon Saloon, the feature film quality makes it worth the money. So these were some of the best rigging tools that you can try. Whether you're a beginner looking for something simple or a pro in need of advanced tools, there's something here for everyone. So, which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below.